Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 66 Bug, completely custom, beautiful paint job on it, just gorgeous. It's a nice green color, well done, inside's attached. We do have the back off here, the back hood, to be able to see this customized motor here. 2 carburetor, and just everything is brand new. Beautiful. Here's the exhaust down here. We'll have some better pictures of that posted when we get her up on the hoist. Let's take a look here inside. Got some cloth interior.
You know, Mark, it also has a built-in tender too. The car has a tender all hooked up into the car.
Oh yeah.
All you have to do is plug her in and away she goes.
Perfect. Easy access, easy use. Take a look here at the dash. All the odometers work well. Pretty original.
Too, Mark. Fuel gauge works well. Voltage regulator, voltage meter, and the tachometer all work too.
Awesome. Well, let's take a look at this motor running. Here we go with the back end. Go ahead, Al, start her up. Alright, here we got the 66 Bug. We're going to take it for a quick spin so you guys can see how smooth it drives and see how it sounds.
You know, Mark, I've driven a lot of these things before, and they're hard to drive. Not this one. This car is fast. It gets out of its way. It sounds awesome, as you can hear. So gas gauge works, speedometer works, all the gauges work. So we'll stop here and then get around the road. So I'm in second gear coming out of driveway, no creaking. How nice and strong that steering wheel is. 60 miles an hour, no problem, Mark. 60, 65. Look at how straight this thing is. Knocking at 70 miles an hour, a little 66 Volkswagen. Wow. That's incredible, man.
2 big guys like ourselves as well.
And just as smooth as silk.
Awesome. Let's
Blinkers
take
work.
it back and we'll throw her up on the lift and check her out underneath.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the Bug up here on the lift. Let's take a look underneath. Everything is very, very clean, nice. Very well protected with this under plate here. Show you the back there. Look how pretty that is. Here, let me show you from this side. Very sweet car, and you can tell how it sounds. All right, well, we'd love to see you off the lot with this. Give us a call, shoot us an email.